Hi friends, welcome to the new series of With Man Show. This is Vidya with Mani. So I'm hoping that you are all doing very well. So friends, today we are really excited as we are going for a long trip after many days. So today we'll be visiting a resort which is in Kandalur, which is in Idukki district of Kerala. So the name of the resort is Jungle Book Vintage Resort. As you can hear the name only, you can understand that there is something specialty in this resort. Yes friends, there is specialty about this resort which you will be coming to know by viewing our video. So friends, we have heard about this resort and we were we had great plan to visit this resort and were waiting for the right time. So yes friends, this is the right time to visit this resort. So this resort is situated in Kandalur. So talking about Kandalur, Kandalur is a place which is really beautiful, which is known for its agricultural land and it has a great landscape. So people used to come from far off places to visit this beautiful place. That is how this place was converted into a tourist destination. So today we'll be going to this resort in Kandalur via Munnar. So talking about Munnar, as you all know that Munnar being the famous hill station of Kerala, it is also known as Kashmir of South India. It is a place which is suitable for all kinds of people to visit and to have a great trip and to have a great stay. So friends, yeah, we'll be visiting this resort shortly. We'll be getting ready and we'll be starting our trip shortly. So friends, stay connected and let's enjoy the trip together. So friends, as you see, we have covered some distance from Ernakulam. From Ernakulam to Munnar, it's around 100 kilometers. And to Kandalur, it's around 50 kilometers. From Kandalur, our resort is 2 kilometers. So yeah, totally 152 kilometers. It's just a specification. So yeah, we had a really great trip till here. The way was really beautiful. So friends, as you could see that we are coming across many waterfalls in the way. So the rain has also started to fall. As the rain is falling, the water is becoming more in quantity in the waterfall, just bringing more beauty to the waterfall. So you have here mountains, the forest, the waterfall in between the mountains and forest. So which is really looking beautiful, amazing and really great. So it's a great place to explore and we are just loving this trip. The ride is just superb, the way is just great. We're just enjoying the ride and going through the places. Oh, it's so amazing. We just can't just tell in words. So just enjoying the ride and just going through. So be with us friends. So friend, have to go some more way to reach the Munnar place. So as you see, the climate has really changed. There is a little tiny bit of rainfall falling and you can see a large amount of mist over here. Nothing is been seen, but it's really beautiful, fully fog, fully mist and everything. So it's really beautiful. So we are just enjoying the place here. The climate has really changed. It's been very cold now. The rainfall is also little bit, and you can see many tourist people who are coming and really enjoying the time over here. So really nice to know, really nice to be here. So its time is like nearly 1, but it's not feeling like it's afternoon 1 because it's not a lot sunny. Friends, as you can see, we are having a real good view of the fog. The fog is not in a still position, it is moving. As it's moving, the tea garden is really becoming visible, which is really beautiful, very amazing to see it. So friends, it's afternoon 1. Yeah, so we have to reach Munnar. It takes little more kilometers to reach Munnar. So we have started from our home in Ernakulam at 8 a.m. in the morning. So we had our breakfast in the middle, and now after reaching Munnar, we'll be having our lunch, and then we expect to reach our booked resort by evening 4. Before evening 4, we'll be reaching there, yeah, for sure. So yeah, that's what. Also friends, like the way is really nice. Like if you visit any place, we'll be just waiting for the place to reach. But here it's really a different thing. Like the way is just superb that we don't feel like to reach. We have to reach the place soon because the way is just superb. You can see many things, many beautiful things, and also the climate is also changing. It has become very cold now, so just enjoying and just being in this super climate and super atmosphere, really very nice. We have passed Munnar and now we are in the route to Kandalur. So as you can see that now we have come to a place. It's looking really beautiful. There are so many tea gardens. It's really nice, looking very great. So just enjoying, but as you can see that rainfall has become more. So it's really raining. There is also fog. Also it's afternoon, but it doesn't look like afternoon here. So it's not even sunny. So yeah, a very cold climate, so just enjoying this cold, and the sceneries are just, I just don't have words to speak. It's really beautiful, just awesome. Hi friends, so you can see we have reached the resort. So the resort is very different from other resorts that we have stayed or we have viewed. So I'm talking about this resort is more natural than like there are less artificial things here than we see in the other resorts. So like natural, I mean by if you see the building is made of mud as well as wood. So you have mud house here as well as wooden house. So it's made of mud or a wooden. So it's like there are less artificial things that are being included in this resort. So it's like resort means in this resort, like they have built individual apartments, individual small houses, which is really different. And also inside things you can see which is really made from the products that is already been here, like be it the wood or be it the whatever things it is, they have taken from here and they have prepared the, whether it be the cot or whether it be the furnitures. So that is the specialty of this resort. It's really beautiful, it's really natural, it's really adventurous. So we have come here, we have felt really excited, and we have a lot of we are going through a lot of fun here. So it's really nice. So we have reached here by evening 5. We got a little late as you could see that we were getting down in every place that were really beautiful. We were not able to stop ourselves by getting down, so we have got down and took the video. It was really beautiful. We had got many waterfalls, mountains, hills, rocks, everything. It was really beautiful, very natural and very beautiful. I think Idukki is the main heart of Kerala. Yeah, that is what I want to say. So it was really beautiful. So we have come here. So yeah, we have reached here by 5 as I said, and we thought to get fresh up as we were a little tired. We have started morning 8 as I already told you. So we thought to get fresh up and then show you the resort, how beautiful it is, how different it is. But then when we like fresh up and we came out, we could see that it has been already been evening, and as this place is, you can just understand, it has been dark early, so there were no lights. So we thought, okay, if we show you now, it will not be that suitable. So we'll be showing you the resort tomorrow morning after we get up. So that will be really, we are sure that you will really like it, because it's really different. It's very auspicious and very beautiful to see, and to know that yeah, like this resorts exist in our place where we can go and spend a good time. Yeah, that is what we are want to focus on. So we'll be showing the resorts in detail tomorrow. So friends, stay tuned, keep connected. So friends, you would have viewed the beauty of this resort in this night time. So it's really beautiful. A good lighting system has been implemented, so it's looking very beautiful, very lively and very nice. Yes, so this resort's name is Jungle Book Vintage Resort. Yeah, Jungle Book Vintage Resort, and it is really nice, very natural. It's really like we are in a jungle, yeah, in a forest. Yeah, that is what we are feeling when we are here. So it's really nice. Everything they have like they have made everything thinking of some concept of the forest, which is really nice. You can see like this. This is a restaurant of the resort. This is a restaurant, or we can say it is a cafe of the resort, like where we get the food. But we have to order the food early, as like they have to go some distance to get the items they are required to prepare the food. So we have ordered it already. So yeah, this is the place where they prepare the food and serve it. So we have come here to have our dinner, and we'll be going to our room to have a good sleep. So yeah, we are looking like we are feeling very refreshed and very nice. It's very cold also, but very nice, a very good atmosphere we are having here. So as you can see the restaurant, these are the trees that were already were there in this place. That is really good initiative and a good and a different thing that they have done. So it's, yeah, everything has a real specialty in this place. That is what we are exploring and we are loving. So it's really great, good to be here. Friends, as you see, the shrubs of the forest are also included in this place, which is made really beautifully and decorated very nicely. Also you can see the chair table. This is made with the wood that is available here. So they have brought very less things from outside. They have really utilized the things over here and they have created everything. It's looking very nice and is adding beauty to this place. So yeah, very nice. Being like feeling like I'm really with nature. Also you can see that it is made with the hay that is available. So yeah, all the wooden works they have made, all the struts you can see upside, which is really beautiful, really great. So yeah. Friends, this is the reception area of the resort. As you see, the reception is also given the theme of forest, which is really beautiful. So we have given contact and other details in the description. So friends, we really had a great dinner from the restaurant of this resort. So it was nice, delicious. So now we have come back to our cottage. This is our mud house that we have got, that I was talking about before, which is really nice. It was really nice staying here. It was really a different experience that we have obtained. Also we have other attractions here. So friends, follow me to find out that. So friends, we have a great balcony, having a great viewpoint. Also we have a tent which you can see here. So if you are adventurous, you can just come and stay in tent. And if you are really romantic, you are coming with your couple, or you are coming on a dating, or you're coming after your marriage for honeymoon, then this place will be very suitable for you. Just come in and check in. So friends, as you see, it's really nice. Standing here only, I'm feeling very nice. And like it's night now, so not able to see the viewpoint very nicely. But in the morning or in the evening, it will be very nice to see the viewpoints from here. Also, we have got like very nice garden, which is on my both sides, which is really nice. They have really made it in a synchronized and in order, which is really nice. So also the camp, it has been shut down as the lockdown period. There are not much people, but it will be opening soon. So also if you are more adventure, then you can have that facility too. So I'm just loving all the facilities over here. It's really nice, very nice. I just loved this resort as whole. So yeah, tomorrow in the morning we'll be showing you the mud house in detail and other places that we will be exploring. See that there are so many plants included. They have made it in a very good order. So you can see the resort is in very good order. They have synchronized everything in a very good manner, and they have arranged everything in a with real beauty and real order. So it's really nice. Everything, a small, whether it be a small thing, they have made it something special. So that is the thing that is really making us amazing. And so this is a mud house. So tomorrow today it's already been dark, so we'll be not able to show you the whole detail of this mud house. But no problem, tomorrow we'll be getting up early in the morning and we'll be showing you more detail of this mud house and the places nearby. I'm sure that you will be loving it. So now we'll be going in and we'll be having a good sleep. So friends, stay tuned, stay with us. So good night for now. Hi friends, a very good morning. So we have got up early in the morning. So got up in the morning and just we got out of the room. So as you can see, the view is just amazing. I'm just loving this place so much that I just don't have words. So I will be showing you our mud house more detailing now. As you can see, out of the mud house, there are the garden is made very beautifully. There are so many flowers, yellow, orange, red, all kinds of flora species, red flowers, purple flowers. It's really beautiful. I just have no words. Also, you can see in the up that there are so many houses there. Friends, also you can note that here there is not only mud house, there are also wooden house created by the woods from the forest. So in a wooden house it will be a little more costly because you will be having like double bedroom homes also. So that is the real specialty of here. Talking about this room is like this mud house is like for one person it is 1500. So yeah, it is, the cost is like that, but I don't think that it's very big rate or something, because I just loved this place. It was really great ambience to stay, to be. We really had a great sleep because though it's mud house, though it's very cold outside, in the night time it was little warm inside, so we could sleep very nicely. We had a very good continuous sleep. We didn't get disturbed that we are away from home or something. It was like we were feeling like, yeah, we are in another home only. So that is a real success of this people who had made this resort. So as you can see the mud house, in the entrance only you have like this, which is clearly demonstrating us, they are welcoming us to the home. So yeah, that is how they like differentiate a house from home. So this is looking like a home really. So let's go and come friends. So friends, as we come in, you can see that there is a balcony, and also from here the view is really beautiful. The mud house is made with all haze and everything. They have made all the wooden works here, which is really nice, which is really beautiful and very natural. Yeah. So you can see in the front there is a veranda where two people, or how many people we are, we can sit and have some good time talking, chatting, doing all games or something. So yeah. Hi friends, welcome home. So friends, as you can see, this is the main bedroom. You can see the wall here. It is made of mud. Really nice, right? I thought that mud house it will not be that strong or something, but it's really strong. Actually, they have made the mud house, and they have also given a coating of dried cow dung, which is keeping the temperature in level. Also, it is okay in the night. It's not much cold and it's okay to sleep. So they have considered every factors. They have gone through everything. Like in the olden ages, like they used to make houses with mud only. So yeah, that is what they have implemented here, but they have also seen that we are in a comfortable zone or not. So that is all how they made, and they have taken all the factors into consideration, which I loved it. So you can see the master bedroom. So this is a bed. So you can see this is a code that which is made of the real wood itself. They have not brought it from any outside place or anything. So you can see only the lights they have brought it from outside, I think. So wood, everything is wood, like table be, let be the cot. So friends, after the master bedroom we have a working area. So here you can see like they have kept a really traditional furniture. Also like this is like their space. We can change our dress, we can do our makeup and everything. So yeah, that is the main. I just love this place. I have no words to say. So also the washroom, it's like a big washroom, and yeah, all the facilities are there that is required to get fresh up and everything. So I just loved this the way they have made, and they have thought of all these things. So it's really nice. I'm loving the time that I'm having here. So yeah, that's what friends. Also, friends, I have found an interesting thing here. We have got a lamp here, which has taken me to the olden days. It's looking really beautiful. Also, it has many functionalities, like you can change the lighting according to your wish. So, as you can see that there's a bright dim light. Oh, it's a bright light. So this is kept here because the power supply may get cut down, but it doesn't cut down for more than 5 minutes. So that time, if we want to go for an emergency purpose, we can use this lamp. So yeah, they have considered every factor and have used everything that is required for our comfortable stay. So I'm just loving the stay here. It's really, I am like everything that I'm come, it is something new and something very different that I'm just like seeing that and just thinking about things over here. So yeah, it's great that I'm getting to think so much, explore so much, and to like what? To have a comfortable stay. Nothing more is enough, I think. So friends, I'm having my morning coffee. It's really delicious. You can see that we have got the coffee in the earthen pot, which is very nice. Also, I think that is the thing that is adding the flavor to this coffee. It is really refreshing, very nice, very tasty. So yeah, in this view, just having a coffee, the wind, everything is like just blowing my mind and heart. Really nice, very good. So I'm just enjoying the coffee. So friends, we really had a great day here. Today is really a special day for us. Today is our wedding anniversary. So yeah, we are celebrating our third wedding anniversary, and this place is really a awesome gift for me. I just didn't think that it will be such a great gift that I'll be getting. So Mani just told about this place, so I thought, okay, it will be an ordinary place as such. But coming here, it was really fantastic, a different and a mind-blowing experience which I have got. All things are really different, very a great experience which I can't just express in the words. So I really thank Mani for this wonderful gift. Also, today we'll be celebrating our anniversary. So friends, yeah, we'll be winding up our show now, and the next series will be showing how we'll be celebrating our anniversary. So we have the Jeep Safari left, and we will be exploring more places. So friends, we are winding up this series now here, but we will be covering the Jeep Safari and exploring more places nearby and in Munnar in the next series. So friends, stay connected and enjoy our next show, which will be launching shortly. So till that, take care of yourself, have a good health, but don't forget to enjoy your life. This is Vidya and Mani signing off from Vidman Show. Bye friends.